Introducing TytoHome by TytoCare, an FDA-cleared, award-winning remote medical exam kit that enables you to get a medical exam by a medical professional from the comfort of your home. With Tyto, clinicians can remotely diagnose and treat many of the most common conditions, such as ear infections, colds, sore throat, congestions, and rashes. The Tyto device comes with an app and special adapters for examining the heart, lungs, throat, ears, abdomen, skin, and temperature. Let's see how it works. Turn on the device and app to start your exam. Once a connection is established, the clinician will take control of the Tyto device and guide you through the entire exam. For example, with the stethoscope adapter, the clinician can listen to lung and heart sounds in high quality, or use the otoscope adapter to examine the ears for any infections. Once the exam is complete, the clinician can provide a diagnosis based on the medical exam data and send a prescription to the pharmacy for pickup, all within minutes and from the comfort of home. Join the thousands of satisfied users who have chosen TytoHome to get answers quickly, anytime, anywhere.
The SKG F5 massage gun is the world's first fascia gun with a hot compress function that helps warm your muscles before your workout. After sitting for a long time in the office and concentrating on the computer, do you feel muscle stiffness and pain? Get deep relaxation for your muscles with the SKG F5 specific massage head that replicates hand massage. It's small and weighs only 300 grams, so you can always take it with you. It's always important to reduce muscle tightness, soreness, and muscle stretching after an intense workout. The SKG F5 has 4-speed frequency conversion with up to 3200 RPM. It has enough power to provide direct relaxation of deep muscles. You can easily massage shoulders, legs, or back and achieve maximum muscle relaxation. The SKG F5 has 3 types of massage heads to meet the relaxation needs of different parts of your body. It has 3 levels of intensity indicated by different colors of LED lights. Pressure sensing technology with adaptive intensity provides more comfort, safety, and confidence for everyone. Heated, quiet, and light for ultimate portability.
Introducing MaskFone, with built-in earbuds and microphone to make answering calls or listening to music a seamless transition wherever your life takes you. Environmental noise cancellation features suppresses background noise.
Hello?
While voice projection enhances your voice for clear quality calls.
Here.
So let's keep moving forward and redefine what is possible in the new normal.
To introduce the Omron Micro Air U100, a portable battery-operated nebulizer. It uses a unique mesh technology, which makes it more efficient than a traditional nebulizer. Omron Micro Air U100 is silent and discreet. It can be used in any position. Compact and portable, this hand-sized nebulizer is especially handy to take along.
Clear and Clean Air Guide. Huma-i is a device that measures air pollution in our daily life. You can see the pollution index at a glance with just a simple touch. It offers various modes and comfortable screen design. Portable size, which allows easy identification even when you're doing outdoor activities. Now, work with an easy mind. It has strong inhaling mode, so its response to measurement is quick and exact. Small and smart, whenever and wherever you are. Portable Air Quality Monitor.